Good morning. I'm Anubhav Gupta, Director Sumona Consulting. We have come up with a very innovative, very powerful yet very simple product called Control in Hand. Now this product basically, through this product we can control or monitor any electrical device of any ampere rating, be it in home, office or industry, right from our mobile phone and through anywhere in the world. I'd like to give you a live demo of this. Okay, the technology involves one controller, CIH controller, one or more CIH plugs and one mobile smartphone with a mobile application, CIH mobile application. This controller basically at one end interfaces with the GSM mobile phone, and the other end through wireless it controls and monitor each and every CIH plug. Now the CIH plug is a 16 ampere 220 volt plug which can be directly plugged in into a 16 ampere socket, and any electrical device of a maximum rating of up to 16 ampere can be directly plugged into this CIH plug, and it can be switched on and off through a mobile phone. Now this CIH mobile has a mobile application. Now we go to the mobile application, and this is the mobile application. As you can see, now it has one controller, and there are various electrical devices like the drawing room AC, water pump or my room's AC, which I have connected to it, and currently they are showing as off state. Okay, now we are going to demonstrate how to operate this split AC which is in our drawing room through this CIH plug. Okay, now we are going to now this is the regulator of the AC. We are plugging it into this CIH plug and simply putting it into the socket. This is our drawing room AC, and we'll try and operate this from our CIH controller. Now I'm going to press the switch on button, and it is formulating the SMS. It started to show please wait. So it's formulating the SMS, and once it's ready it will show, and now as you can see the AC has been switched on. Now the CIH plug confirms back this update to the CIH controller, and CIH controller again formulates the SMS about the switch on AC and sends it back to the mobile application. And now you can see that it has been switched on. In the mobile application also it shows that it's been switched on. Now again we'll try and switch off the mobile, switch off the AC through this mobile, and here we switch it off. It's formulating the SMS, and once the SMS is formulated it sends the SMS and it's been switched off. Again CIH plug will inform to CIH controller about the switch off state, and CIH controller will formulate the SMS and send out the SMS back to the mobile application, and in a short while we'll see the updated status as switched off. Thank you.